Oh, my memory ran out. I've been taking pictures of Margaret and I's progress over this last few weeks, and I forgot how many images I had. But anyway, so I'm back to this. I can't recall where I left off exactly, but there's the X motion and in positive and negative, then the Y motion and positive and negative, and we still have our Z. Should be ready to go. There you go. He's on his way down. I hope he stops soon. Smaller. Smaller. Small. Stop. He's not stopping. Oh God, he's not stopping. He stopped. Whew. I had too big of a move in there for him. Okay. Get this back to normal here. Okay. Maybe not quite that big. Okay. There we go. So I have the 3 axes that will move in jog mode, and that would indicate to me that if I put it into program, it would move. And what I was doing was trying to move this guy down to see if I could uncover the last screw and mount it first one way, then the other. Looks like I have motion. It looks like I'm going to have enough. Looks like I'm going to have enough. Oh, and then I have to mount limit switches. I want to be able to have this thing stopped before it runs into itself. I think that would be a smart move. There we are. We're uncovered. Okay, so I can just shuttle this thing forward and up and down and uncover the screws and assemble this guy. And I'll do that after lunch. Oh boy, this is exciting. It looks good. I think I'm going to put a cover over this. I mean, I like that that's open, but I'd like to be able to cover that up from, stuff getting down in here. This one is inverted, just the way they are. And these brackets, I have to say, look at this. They are quite stiff, quite strong. They are really, really feel good. And the couplers are working well, so I'm happy. Very little, no backlash that I can tell. The nylon nuts inside are still working well, so I think we're going to be just fine. So I'll do what I can to get this finally assembled and back, and then we'll try to make the wood part first, test my program, tune that, and then once I have the program defined properly, I'm going to put in a real piece and see what happens. See if I can cut that cheap-ass metal with the this router that we got, a 2-flute high-speed router, but we're going to be making very small cuts, so it's going to take a long time to gouge out the piece I want. But the fact is I can do it automatically, just like printing. I can set it up and do it and go do something else. Although I'll probably want to watch the first 1 or 2. Make sure, stay out of trouble. All right. Gotta go. Later.